I am sending you some of the form input methods. So here this is the form what I have used. Here you can see, sir, the text form is there, and radio buttons are there, and even date actually I am not able to configure. I don't know what is the problem. I am not able to solve it. So I have skipped this particular box. So please guide me how to do that also. And here is the check boxes. I have selected automated tester. Here Selenium WebDriver. Here choose file. I have gone ahead with selecting one of the photo. This is what, and here Asia I have given Antarctica, and the web elements I have given the last option. So this is how, and after that it will click the button and the result will be so this way. So let me give you the demo, sir. This is the here this is the code. Now normally we are executing Chrome driver, and I have given one more command is implicit wait, and normally it was taking little time to load the pages, so I have given implicit wait for the element. So here driver maximize window is there, which maximize the window, and here is the page with I'm inputting the URL. So after that driver will be here refresh. I have given browser for the normal loading, because it has contained some ads and all, so loading it is taking some time. Execution of the code, it is taking little time. So here the first name I have given Trikam Patel, and this is a XPath I have also used in this. This is element by name, and this is by XPath. So here normally radio button will be selected male, and here XPath will be selected 7. So here we can see, sir, this is what the radio button is. This is also male, and here of experience. And I have inserted choose file also. I have used it to upload the file. So this is trikam.png, and this is a XPath what I am using. A little bit error I was getting it, because this particular thing long lines are not working. So I have given it to the next line. So this is the whole line code of. Okay, and here driver.continents I have selected Antarctica, and web elements command I have used it. This is Antarctica, and from this particular drop down Antarctica is selected, and here from list I have used web elements commands. So let us see the code. And after that I have used element by name submit. So here covers how to call the using XPath as well as element by name also, this one, and we have used by name also. Okay, sir, I'm running the code now. Sometimes it is taking little time. I don't know what is that. Now the browser is maximized. The page is getting loaded. So I have given little implicit wait, because these ads are getting displayed. So it is taking little time. So here you can see this particular still it's getting loaded. So now here let me check it. This is what I am not able to get it. Sometimes it will execute immediately, or sometimes it is taking time. So I have given implicit wait command also. So let us proceed. Taking little more time this time. This also solution I wanted to know, sir, like my implicit wait is working, or what for waiting, which one should be used properly, because other all things I have used sleep command. I have imported time here. All the elements which wherever it was taking little time, I have used this particular sleep timings. Still it is getting loaded. Yes, now it started. It's inserting Trikam Patel. After that it will select male. So here it is waiting for Google still. Male is selected, 7 is selected. Date I have was not able to get it, sir. So this also I wanted to rectify. Automation sister Selenium, it has selected Antarctica web elements, and now it will select button. So this is what it will go to the submit button. It will click. So this covers normally all the particular radio buttons, text boxes, and check boxes. Choose file also, upload the file. Here again is the check boxes, and select it from drop down as well as the web list. This is what today's this thing. Thank you, sir.